Have you ever watched a travel video and felt like something was missing? Like, sure, the landmarks were there, the iconic sites were on full display, but somehow it felt incomplete. Well, guys, that missing piece is often the mundane, the everyday moments that breathe life into a destination, the unscripted scenes that capture the true essence of a place. And that is what we are going to talk about right now. So you see, capturing the mundane isn't just about filling in the gaps. It's about adding depth and authenticity to your videos. It's about showing your audience the real heartbeat of a city, the rhythm of its people, and the soul of the streets. So why is it important to capture the mundane when making travel videos? Well, it's because it's the mundane that paints the complete picture. It's the small, seemingly insignificant moments that tell the real story. The story of the people who call this place home. Finding the beauty in the ordinary. You see, mundane isn't just about pointing your camera at random stuff. It's about seeing the world through a different lens. Finding poetry in everyday chaos. And telling stories that resonate with your audience. So how do we do it? I'm gonna break it down right now. It all starts with observing, guys. Take a moment to soak in the sights, sound, and smells of your surroundings. Try to notice the little details, the way people move, the colors of the buildings, the rhythm of life pulsating through the streets. Every corner, every alley has a story to tell, but you gotta have a keen eye to catch it. So slow down, take a breath, and let the world unfold before your lens. The virtue of patience. In the world of instant gratification, this one's a tough one, right? But trust me, my friends, good things comes to those who wait. Sometimes you gotta plant yourself in one spot and let the magic happen. Whether it's waiting for that perfect ray of sunlight to hit an old cobblestone street or capturing the laughter of children playing in the park, patience is key. Now let's talk about storytelling. Every mundane moment has a story lurking beneath the surface, waiting to be uncovered. It could be the story of a street vendor hustling to make ends meet, or the quiet camaraderie between commuters on a crowded bus or train. Deep dive, guys. Peel back those layers, and underneath those are narratives. Trust me, your audience will thank you for it. This one is the bread and butter of every filmmaker. When capturing the mundane, framing is everything. Experiment with different angles, play with symmetry, and compose your shots with purpose. Remember, it's not just about what you see, but how you see it. So get creative. Break the rules and let your imagination run wild. Of course, let's not forget the human element. People are the beating heart of any story, and capturing their raw emotions is what brings your footage to life. Whether it's a smile or a frown or a moment of contemplation, these human interactions add depth and authenticity to your film. When it comes to capturing the mundane, keep it real, guys. Avoid the temptation to stage or script scenes. Let life unfold naturally before your lens. Every mundane moment is a window into the soul of a place, offering valuable insights into its culture and lifestyle. Whether it's a morning ritual at a local temple or a traditional dance performance in the streets, these cultural nuggets adds richness and depth to your storytelling. Of course, to tie it all together with a narrative thread, use the mundane moments as bridges between those major landmark shots or events that you shot, weaving them into the fabric of your story. Remember, guys, it's not just about the destination, it's about the journey. So embrace the mundane, capture the beauty in the ordinary, and let your storytelling skills shine. Now, what types of shots should you use in capturing the mundane? I suggest that you watch these videos right here about different camera shots that you can use for your travel videos. So, I'll see you on the next video. Let's all learn, create, and share. Peace out.